Good morning friends. Today we have to explain exercise 5.2. Already we have discussed about the pie chart. So reference with pie chart. Today we want to go through the exercise, that is 5.2. So in 5.2 first question is, survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people like in city. Adjoining the pie chart, so here it is given pie chart. So if you will see that here it is light, so 40% of it, here 20% of it. So if you will see that 40% means maximum, again 10% and 30%. Now question is, first question, what is the question? If 20 people like classical music, how many young people were surveyed? So first of all, what is the meaning of related with 20 people like classical music? So go through the 10%. So 10% is related with the, what it related with the 100. If 10% is related with the 100, then why we have to find out how many peoples like it. So if you will see that 10% is represented with the 100, then 20% is represented with, that is 20 into 100 by 10. So if we will cut, we can say 200. Again, what is the question is, 20 people like classical music. Now 20 people like means what? 20 people, again 20 people. The 10% is related with the 100, then 20% is related with the, so 20 into 100 divided by, or another way is what? Another way is 20 people like classical music. So classical music is 10%. So 10% of x is equal to 20. So 10 upon multiply by x upon 100 is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 into 100 divided by 10. So we can say 200. So again, what is the first concept? We have to clear our concept first. Which way what I have to write? There I am explaining by different way. So two different way I am explaining this sum. In first we know that 20 people. So in second way I am explaining with percentage. Two different way we can solve this. So that is our question number 1. In question number 1, 10% is represented as a classical music. So 20% result, that is 200 people. Now question is again, so that is question number 1. Now question number 2. Which type of music is liked by maximum number of people? Which type of music liked by maximum number of people? So you will see that second is light music. Light music is like maximum by maximum people, that is like how much? 40% is like, so it is maximum. So here it is maximum. Now question number 3 is important. Why I am give you importance of third? Because in it each things we have to find out. So question number 3 now. If cassettes company were to make 1000 CD, how many type of each type would they make? So first we have to go through the list, that is 10% classically. Now how many total CDs are there? 1000. So if total CDs are 1000, 10% of 1000. So 10% of 1000, that is 10 multiplied by 1000 divided by 100. So 100 CDs. So here we can say 100 CD means compact disc. 100 CDs of classical, that is first. Now second, that is second is 20%. Semi-classical. So how I will find out again? 20% of 1000. That is 20 multiplied by 1000 divided by 100. So 200 CDs. So 200 CDs we can make. Same way you can also find out yourself. That is third. So that is 30%. That is folk music. So again 30% of 1000. Same way you can also find out fourth. That is 40% of, that is light music. So youngsters are mostly using light music. So that is 40% of 1000. So we can get answer 300 and 400. Total must be is equal to 1000. Then we can say our answer is correct. So in exercise 5.2 it is a survey. This survey is by 2009 I think. That out of 100%, 10% relation classical music, that is old age. Someone are using 20% semi-classical, 30% folk, that is the people who are living in village, and those who are living in cities, they are using light music. So that way we have completed this first sum. So there are total 5 sums. Out of 5 sums we have to complete all the sum. Now we go for second. Now group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the 3 seasons, rainy, winter and summer. So which season got the most votes? So if you will see that 150 winter has 150 and winter has 150. Second is rainy season and third is summer season. So which season is the most? So question number first answer, that is winter season. Winter season is the most liked by people. Out of 360 people are there and 3 seasons are there, rainy, winter and summer. So winter is liked most. Winter season liked most. Find the center angle of each. So first again pie chart is there. Whenever pie chart is there, always remember 360 degree. Now if I want to find out the summer, center value of each, question is center angle of each sector. Center angle of each sector. So when summer is there, that is 90, again here it is 90 divided by, again how many? 360. Multiply by, again which angle we have to multiply? 360. Why? Because in circle we know that it is a 360. So always remember. So 360. So again 360 cut. So 90 degree. Same thing in rainy season. In rainy season again 120 divided by 360. Multiply by 360. That is 120 degree. Again winter, that is 150 divided by 360 multiply by 360, that is 150 degree. So if you will see that already we have get same answer related with the number of votes. Here 90 degree, here 120 and 150. If we total it, you will get 360 degree. Now if we want to draw the pie chart, what I have to do? First of all, we have to make a circle. First of all, we have to make a circle. And Okay, we have to make a circle first. So if we will see that we will draw one circle, or we can draw big circle, or generally it is a small circle. Now I have to make a three part of it. One is 120, so bigger angle I have to draw 150 degree. Another is 120, another is 90. If we draw the big circle, then what we have to do first? One is 90 degree here. Another is what I have to do? 150 degree, and here it is 120 degree. So draw one circle with radius, any arbitrary radius we can show, and you can draw and make an angle 150, 120 and 90. Now question number 3. Draw a pie chart. Again we have to draw the circle. But when we draw the pie chart on that time, you have to draw the 360 degree. Always remember. So first of all, to make 360 degree, that is important for us. So that is why one hint is given. Draw a pie chart showing the. So if we draw, we have to rub this first. So if we now, question is how many parts? 1, 3, 4 and 4 parts are there, and total is 360. Now question is draw the pie chart. So for draw the pie chart, what we have to do first? Make a fraction into 360. So 18 2s are 2, again 18s are, or so 180. Or another way, 360 we cancel, and 36 cancel, we can say 180 degree. So now green. For green, 9 upon 360 into 360. So if you want to make a fraction, then 18 upon 360, 36, that is 1 by 2 fraction. Here 9 upon 36, that is 1 by 4 fraction. So 36. Tens are, so 90 degree. So here 1 by 2 fraction, here 1 by 4 fraction, here 1 by 6 fraction, and 1 by 12 fraction. So now red, that is 6 upon 36 multiply by 360, so 10, so we can say 60 degree. And yellow, that is 3 upon 36 into 360, so 10, so 30 degree. So 180 degree. For blue we have to do 180 degree, and for green we have to do 90 degree. For red we have to draw the 60 degree, and yellow we have to do the 30 degree. So for generally, if you will see the straight line, if I will draw, we can say 180. Again I will draw here 90 degree, we can say 90 degree. So here we can say blue, we have to make a shading. Here 90 degree, that is green. Now 60 and 30, so make a line at here. So here it is red, and here it is yellow. So now if you will see the color, if you will take the color coding, so if you will make green color at here, make a green color. Afterward, then we have to take the blue color. So here we can take, or sorry, what we have to do, we have to make a color individual of it. So first of all I have to take the eraser. Okay. Now make a line of it first. So here it is blue, here it is green, here it is red, here it is yellow. And we have to make a color coding like that, then we can get answer. Still 2 sum is remaining, so we go for fourth. Now if you will see question, already pie chart is given, but when hints are given, it means it is slightly difficult than whatever we assume. So now question is, adjoining pie chart given the marks scored in an examination by a student in English, Hindi, mathematics and social science and science. So 5 more, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So Hindi, English, so let me see that if you will see here, Hindi is there 70%. Here percentage is given. If the total mark obtained by the student is 540, answer the following question. Which subject did the score marks 105? So to get 105, you have to make a comparison of it to get 105. What I have to do again? If mathematics is there, then 90% is then. So 90% of what? 360. But total marks is what? 540. 540 is the total marks. But here, see, mathematics means 90%. So mathematics means 90%. That is degree related, 90 is related with the degree. So 90 divided by 360 multiply by 540, you will get every time marks. So first of all, I have to clear this. So for mathematics, what I have to do? 90 divided by 360 multiply by 540. So here 10 cut 9. If we do 9 4s are and 4 1s are 4. If you cancel it, 540 divided by 4, we can get 135. 4 1s are 4, 14, 4 3s are 12, 2, 0, 5s are. Now related with the after maths, afterward we can say social science or we can say science. So 80% upon 360, 80 degree multiplied by 540. Again 1010 cut 18 2s are 18 3s are 2 40s are. So 120. So in science we can say 120. Now for English or we can say social science, that is 65 upon 360 into 540. So 10 cut 18 2s are 18 3s are. So now we can get, if you will see properly here, we can get answer in point, that is 82.5. Sorry, 90s. If we cancel it, 2, now 5 3s are 15, 1 6 3s are 18, 19 divided by 2. So 9 2s are 18, 97.5. So here if you will see in maths 135, here science 120, in social science that is 97.5. Now for Hindi, that is 70 upon 360 into 540, 1010, or here as it is 1010 cut 18 2s are 18 3s are 2 35s are. So 35 into 3, 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 3 3s are 9, 105. So here we have to write 105. And in English, that is in English, that is 55 upon 360 into 540. Again, now here point is not possible, so we can do 10 cut 18 2s are 18 3s are. Now if we multiply 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 15 165 by 2. So we can get 82.5. So 82.5. So we can get 8 all 82.5. So here it is 82.5. Now you will see that what is the center angle. If the in which subject did the student score 105? So if you will give 105 Hindi. So in first we have to say the answer is Hindi. How many more work were obtained by the student in mathematics than Hindi? हिंदी से ज़्यादा मैथमेटिक्स में वर्क कितना है? So if you will see mathematics 135 in mathematics, answer is 135, while in Hindi it is 105. So if you will see how many more marks. So here mathematics and Hindi. Mathematics is equal to 135 and Hindi is equal to 105. So 30 marks is more. So in question answer is 30 more. Examine whether the sum of marks obtained by social science and mathematics. Sum of social science 97.5. So 97.5 plus mathematics, that is 135, is more than science and Hindi. So again equal to science. So 120. Hindi, that is 105. Now if we total it of both, so first of all I have to rub something and then we can prove, justify with the center angle also. Question is justify with center angle. So what we have to count it, total it, and that is greater or not, that we have to see. So mostly everything I am written at here, that is why I rub it. Now we want to discuss question number 3. So in question number 3, what you have seen, if you will see properly, question is also justify with center angle. So if you will social science and Hindi, social science 90 degree, so social science 65 degree plus 90 degree. So if you will total it, we can get 155 degree. Now science and Hindi, science is 120 plus Hindi, that is 70, that is 190 degree. So now if we will total 97.5 and 135. So 232.5, that is for social science and maths. Now for science and Hindi, that is 120 and 105, that is 225. So is more than, already you will see that. So here it is social science, that is 65, and mathematics, that is 130, that is 90. So question is justify it related with it. So yes, the sum of marks of social method is more than that of the, so here 235 and here 225. So sum of marks of science and Hindi is 225 and social science 232. So now last question is remaining. Afterward we have complete this exercise, you have to complete in your notebook. So number of students in hostel speaking different languages in given, display the pie chart. So first of all I have to total it. How many total is there? 72. So what we have to do first? Fraction we have to do. Fraction of it, and then we can go for the, so for fraction, how we can do the fraction? So for fraction what we have to do? First I have to write Hindi. I have to change the marker now. That is good for us. So for Hindi, that is 40 upon 72. That is, so we have to make a fraction. This is important for us. So 40 upon 72. So generally 4 into 10 if easy cancellation, and 18 into 4. This 4 cut, again 5, again 9. So 5 by 9. Or if you will see properly, shortcut method if you will apply, then what we have to write? 8 5 and 8 9. So I am explaining again. That is 40 upon 72. English, (12 upon 72). Marathi, that is 9 upon 72. Tamil, 7 upon 72. Bengali, 4 upon 72. And now to make a pie chart, always multiple with 360. Then we can get perfect answer. So again multiply by 360. So first make a fraction, then 8 5 are 8 5 are 8 9 are. So 5 by 9 into 360. 12 6 are 72. So 1 by 6 into 360. 9 8 are 72. So 1 by 8 into 360. Here it is not possible. So 7 by 72 into 360. Here 4 1s are 32, 4 8s are, so 1 upon 18 into 360. So if you will say 9 40s, so 40 into 5, that is 200 degree. Here only 60 degree. If you will cancel it, so 8 4s are 32, 408 5s are, so 45 degree. Here 72 5s are 360, so 35, and 18 20s are, so 20 degree. So 1 2 3 4 and 5 parts we have to draw. So if we draw one circle, and 200 degree, 1 2 3 4 and 5 parts we have to draw. So if we will draw straight line, then it is, so make a right at here. Now angle 200, so 188 here, so greater than 180, so we have to draw like that. So here it is in the afterward 60 degree, so we have to make again 60 degree. Here we have to write English 60 degree, 200, then 45 degree, that is Marathi, then Tamil, that is 35 degree, and Bengali, that is 20 degree. That way you have to draw the pie chart in your book. So exercise 5.1 already we have completed. Today exercise 5.2 we have completed. That you have to write in your fair book. So that is sufficient for today's topic.